Hello there and welcome to this tutorial video. Today I will show you how to block your teleportation door from working unless the player has selected all of the coins in that level. You will first start by opening your third person character blueprint and navigating to the variables section on the left bottom corner. Once you have done that, please click on the plus sign and create a new variable and set that value as an integer. You will then compile and navigate the details panel on the right corner and go under default value and change that value to however many coins you have in your level. Now compile and save. The next step is to select your trigger box and open the level blueprint. Once you've done that, right click on that blueprint and select on act or begin overlap. Once you've done that, cast that to a third person character and drag that node out to a branch. This branch will be a true or false statement that will allow us to either teleport or not teleport if we need to collect more coins. Now go back to your cast to third person character and you're going to drag out get amount of coins, which is the variable that we created to keep track of the coins that the player selects, and the other variable is the one that we just created, therefore it will allow the player to either teleport or not teleport. Last but not least, we will drag out of the object under the cast to blueprint third person character and search get player character. Then please compile and save and we can test out our game. So here you can see that if the player doesn't select all the points and the teleportation door does not work, but if the player goes back and collects all the coins, then the teleportation door actually works. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.